We're going to swim.
Go, say hi to vlog under the...
Kick and paddle!
Paddle kick, paddle
Bubble
kick.
stay!
Look up,
Very good!
Get in, paddle again, paddle again. Okay. Lapit mo.
Push! 2, 3, kick and paddle! 5, 6, bubble face up. 2, 3, 1, let's go. Play. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, can we do 7 seconds? Okay, ready? Get air and face down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Up. Wow, nice. Oh, last one. Can we do 10?
Okay.
Okay. But together, okay? Watch my finger, ah. Ready? Get air in your mouth, then face down. Up. Very good. Air in your mouth, slowly face down, down. Relax your body, relax. Straight arm, straight leg. Up. 4, 5, 6, up.
Opo, progress yan sir. Maganda progress.
Back to the bench. Swim back to the bench. Kaya mo, kaya mo?
Please, no.
Swim back to the bench.
You move your feet.
Ready. One more. Last one. Submersion is slowly. Straight your foot. Relax. Oh, I count 1 to 6, ha? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nice one. Level. Chin up. Ready. Slowly. Straight your legs. Relax your body. Oh, like that lang. Oh, nasuotin nyo na. So, nakita din na. Ikaw, 1 to 6. Ready.
Ang galing.
Wait.
Good job, Charles.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Galing.
Yay! Oh, swing back to the bench. Ready. Ikaw, kick. I want to see the splash water. Kick. Make your legs lang. This time I want to see kicking, ha? Kick. Do not bend your foot. Kick slowly. Kick! Slowly lang para hindi mag-move yung body. Like that. Part. Then, do like this.
I just saw Blue do that.
Then, scoop the water into your tummy. Nararamdaman mo sa tummy mo
I
yung
look
water.
like Bluey.
That's what we call dog paddle, okay?
Bluey could do that.
Paddle. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Legs down. Next, kick and paddle. Legs down and paddle. Kick and paddle. 4, 5, 6. Don't stop for only.
All for a 4 years old. Because when my mommy tells me to sleep, kick and paddle. I kick only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bubble! Push. It means 5 minutes more. Okay, come here. Who's gonna go first on the kick? No, who's gonna go first? Up.
And paddle. 3, 4, 5. Bubbles up. 4, 5, 6. Bubble. 4, 5, 6. Face up. And on your way. Paddle 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bubbles up. Face up. Finish. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Push. 1, 2, 3, and paddle. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bubbles face up. 10, 5, 6. Bubbles face up. Nice one, nice one. Kick, 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 kick. Go.
7, 8, 9, 10.
Backward,
1,
backward, backward.
1,
Like that.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I just walked to my apartment all the way to the shop. It was so very tiring. 6, 7,
Last 3. Last one. Okay.
10.
Ready for fetal position. All the way to the bench, okay? For fetal position. Straight arms behind your ears. Get air. Bend over, push. 1, 2, 3. Follow. 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn right. Chin up, always chin up, always chin up. Relax your back. 1, 2, 3, kick and paddle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bubble face up. Nice one. Kick and paddle. Face down. Over push. 1, 2, 3, kick and paddle. 3, 4, 5, 6. Face up. Oh, 6 seconds. How many seconds go through? Push. 1, 2, 3, kick and paddle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bubble face up. All the way over. Push. 1, 2, 3, kick and paddle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bubble face up. Face up. Kick harder. Kick harder. 3, 4, 3. Get bubble turn. Open your leg. Open your leg.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10.
I'm sideward. Circle. 1, 2, 3,
4,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Backward.
Hi. Hi,
Dali, maganda.
Okay.
Hi, everyone.
Okay. Continue the paddle. Oh, Ava, without
Ay,
moving, okay?
Yeah.
Torpedo position. Air. Bend over, push. Kick and paddle. Up, bubbles up. Bend over, push. Your turn. 5, 6.
Bubbles. Oh, stay.
4, 5, 6. Good.
Ready? Go inside the toilet. Bye-bye.
Bubbles stand muna. Air and go. Hi.
Bye-bye.
Don't jump. Oh, don't jump na. Ikaw, you're going to drown na. Wala ka, wala na sila coach dyan.
May bulit pa talaga eh.
Go up na, go up.
Mahilig ka lang talaga sa tubig eh.
Go up na. Come here na. Dito.
Tara na, shower na.
Where's the third?
Okay. Straight your foot. Relax lang, relax, relax. Relax your muscle. Your, thinking, look. Turtle flow.
Okay. Okay.
Get in. Push. Out blade only. Left. Right. Very good. One more. Bus.
Yes.
Blow the bus.
Si Jenny na magandang kuha eh.
Hold first, hold. With air, then down.
Tumatawa.
Third first before you put your right hand back.
No, 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 no. No, no.
Stand up. Push. Up. Survival. Go. Paddle. 3, 4, 5, 6. Bubbles. Turn. Bubbles. Get in.
Ako pa magayos.
Bubbles. Turn. Wait. Tayo sa water. Get in. Then turn. Bubbles. Turn. Get in. Then turn.
Ang galing
That's
ah.
why. High five, Charles.
I didn't try closing my eyes. Yeehaw. 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 Yeehaw.
Then push.
Yan.
Survival. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, turn.
Ang galing oh.
And then turn. Go. 3, 5, 6, bubbles, turn. Do a bubble, singa. Okay, and turn.
Bubbles 10 and then drop.
Go, reach the wall. Konti na lang, push.
Ang galing.
Very good.
Oops!
Watch your head. Left, right, up. Turn first before you put your backhand.
Doubles 10 million.
Turn first. Like that. One more. Left, right, up. Get there, then turn. Bubbles. Turn. Kick a little bit. 1, 2, 3. Bubbles. Wait up. All the way to the base. More paddle. Keep in. Down the push. Kick.